Ah. Wah. 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 Hello. Augie at Switchback Trading. You want to go over some models? Whoop. Let's do it. Yeah, it's November. I don't know what's today. I don't know. It's, it doesn't matter. It's the 10th of November. It's a Sunday, and I'll go over the end of London on Friday and New York. Okay, and we'll see if there was any SBT model setups. There was. What's going on with my camera? Can you see me? Okay. It's a bit wonky. Hold on here. Technical difficulties, people. Okay, and we're good. Okay. Right. Let's get it. No, I'm not good. Fuck, I'm not good. This was good. Oh, one more. Hit me again. Hit me again. Yep. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now, I'm feeling it now. Got the Holy Spirit. Okay, let's get into this. What do we got here? Can you see? Can you see what I see? That is the end of the London session. Massive move down. Look at that. Just fucking bleh. So, this green dotted line here, that's a previous New York close session. So basically, yeah, when it couldn't, you see what happened? It broke through it and then came back up, gave it a kiss goodbye, and then bleh, bye-bye, and bleh. Okay, so though that level is something to be aware of. It's always either going to go towards it to test it, bounce, or it breaks through it and it goes to the next level. Basically, that's what the market does. It just runs from one level to the next. So I mainly just focus on the New York close levels, right at 1600. And because there was a point where you couldn't even see the price because all I had was just different levels. I had the Asia level open, midpoint, pivot point, close, London open, midpoint, pivot point, close. You know what I mean? So. And there is a strategy to be said there because it does smash the levels, Each one of those levels, either the high or the low, once it gets so close to it, like within a certain percentage, it's going to touch it. So, I had a little bit of a strategy there that, those levels were my exit. I jump in and, yeah, there is something there. So I'll look at that at a later date. Right now, I'm focusing on the SBT model. One model only, because really that's all you fucking need. So yeah, so big sell-off. Okay, so put the measurement tool on. See if anything happens, right? So it keeps selling off. Maybe you're short. If you're short, fucking great. Okay, but I'm a bullish reversal trader. That's this setup. Okay. So after a bearish move, a bullish reversal happens, and that's when I jump in. That's when I jump in with the SBT. So there's a low. Look. Do you see it? Okay, look at. There's a 25% right there, right? So now you got price and the EMA below it. It kind of goes sideways here for a bit. Okay, and then it gets above. So pay attention here. Boner candles as it's closing above the EMA is telling you to pay attention, or if you go in light, stop is there, but yeah, does it there? Look, it closes above the 25% retracement, right? So technical entry is there. Okay, that's bullish. That's closing above it. Came back down. Interesting. So you see this black line. Not line, sorry, what is that? Band? That is the mean revision, okay. So these bands up here, these ribbons, that's all for mean revision. So when it comes back down, so it broke above the mean revision, right? got above it here, came back down, set a low, give it a kiss, and then it should be taking off. It should. So anyways, you're long because it's bullish. It's crossed above the 25%. And then does the 50 get hit? Ooh, going sideways for a bit. Boom. Your 50 gets smoked. Okay? Yeah, you have to wait. You have to wait on that one, you know? But it's not, this is a 15-second chart, people. So it's not like you're waiting hours and hours, you know what I mean? It's like, come on. So you got smoked at the 50%, your TP1, your take profit 1. Okay, that's your TP1 right there. You got smoked at 731. You got in here. 731. So yeah, I had to sit through an hour. Just over an hour. Yeah. And yeah, that was a winner. So stops to break even, right, at the 25% retracement. Does the 75 get hit? Does it set? No, looks like you're going to get stopped out here. Yeah, 75 doesn't get hit. But look, yes it does. And you wouldn't have been stopped out, because look, there, your stops at break even, which means your entry, okay? Okay, so you wouldn't have got stopped out. 25% didn't get hit, 50 got hit again, and then the 75 gets smoked. And if you front ran the 100, that would have got hit. Look, right there. See? Okay, but there's something else here. There's a move. These two little moves, micro moves. Because these. Okay, first let's count the meat. I want to know the points for the meat, because that was a big fucking move, man. That was a big range. That's why, because it took an hour, man. Big range, big range. Okay. So from the open up my calculator for this one, I think. So getting out at the 75, okay? That was the optimal trade. That was the model. Oh my God. 206. 206. So you're out at 206. Now I'll front run it, so 205, right? 205. Out at the 75. And you got in at the what? At the 151? No. Yeah. Oh. 54 fucking points, man. Scalp. A scalp. 54 pointer. Scalper. Meet in the middle. 25 to the 75% retracement. That chunk of meat only. That's it. And it did hit the 100, didn't it? Did it? It did hit the 100, but it came back down to the 50, so your runner would have been stopped out. Your runner would have been stopped out, but your TP3 would have got smoked, okay? Your take profit 3 would have got smoked. Okay, let's look at these little micro moves within the move, because these are interesting too, you know? See if there's anything there as a setup. Because, you know, it's a big range, so why can't there be... Why can't there be another opportunity within the move? Of course there is, right? Time is fractal, price is fractal, right? Look. There it is. You see it? There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, price makes a high. Thumbs down. Hits the support ribbon, which I like. Right, it's that's a support ribbon. So yeah, mean revision, support ribbon. Good, it touched it. I like that. Okay. And then EMA is just, it's getting to the sweet spot, isn't it? Look at it. It's like, hey baby, how you doing tonight? It's coming for a drive-by kiss, you know? Look at it. It's coming down to the 25. That's what I like. Anywhere near the 25, above it, on it, just below it. I like that. We've been seeing more trades where the EMA is between the 25% retracement and the 50% retracement. And those ones have been ultra bullish. Like basically, when that's been happening, it really took off after that. So I'm using that to, okay, before I wouldn't get in, I would say, no, that's not part of the model, but you know what? It's worth getting in. But the problem is, where do you put your stop then? Because now if you have your stop at the low, it's a way bigger position to risk, right? So it's a, but on the other hand, they've been more bullish. So it's like, if you don't get in, so the key is to go in light, okay? Just don't go in full size, but put a position on. Half your normal size, you know, third of your normal size. Have a position on. It's showing to be an ultra bullish move. Get in there. So even though now it's a bigger risk, right? Smaller position size, okay? Because yeah, look, does it get hit? What happens here? Ooh, 50 gets smoked. Okay, so I'll make this one black so you can see it better. This is the move within the move, yeah? Did that turn black? No, that's not black. What's going on here? Oh, my pencil turned black. No, I wanted the fucking retracement. Okay. There. That's the move within the move. Right? You seen this? Is it confusing? Might be confusing. I don't know. Some people have said it's like way over their head. It's confusing. For me, it's crystal fucking clear. And I'm trying to show you because the price is there. There's a 25% retracement level. There's the support. Okay, I'll make the candles a bit bigger. Maybe that helps. I don't know. EMA is below the, no, sorry, just above the 25%. There's the 25%, so it's come down close, you know. And price is, you know, nice buy sequence, big boner candle there, you know. So that should be getting you excited, right? Look at that. And it's closing above the 25% retracement as it's closing above the EMA. You're in. You're in. That's a fucking long. Go long. TP1, 50%, fucking straight up there, man. Fucking boner candle, didn't even fucking take any drawdown. That's a nice fucking trade. TP1 is hit, boom, stops to break even, okay? You're out. And then you got a bit of stress because it came back down. Didn't stop you out, but it fucking came close. So you got a bit of stress there, right? Where are you? So TP1's there, I gotta turn it back to red. TP1 comes down, your stops are break even, goes back up, doesn't hit the 75. So 88, 87. Now look, even if I usually front run it like a point. So even if I front ran that a point, front ran. I think I just forgot how to speak fucking English. Just now, front ran. That's not a word, is it? Front run, that's a word, front ran, because I don't front ran it. Jesus, I better fucking take my medicine. That was cashed. Anyways, I think I would have got stopped out. No, I wouldn't have got filled, sorry. So basically it wouldn't have touched my order. And then it would have came back down and stopped me out at the break even. Because the 50 got hit. So I got that first profit target. I've captured gains, moved the stops to break even, okay? If we get stopped out, it's fine because you've got green, okay? Number one, you're fucking green. And number two, there's a fucking another setup just fucking in a few minutes. If you just wait for the market to do its thing, it'll give you another setup. So you're out with a profit. You're out with stopped out with a profit. And I'm counting the meat from the 25 to the 50. 74, that's 54, 81. What is that for? 7 points, that's it? What? Wow, okay, it's a 7-pointer. 7 points is still 7 points because it's a move within the move, right? So you captured the 50. I mean, that's a scalp. If I said to you, I'm a scalper and my last trade I got 7 points, you'd be like, yeah, that sounds like what a scalper would take for profit. If I told you that, you wouldn't be like, what? No, you know what I mean? It's like, no, I mean the minimum should be 5, right? And prop firms, some of them do say that you need a minimum of 5 points to count as a trade. So yeah, scalp. You know, they frown on the micro scalping, anything below 5 points. So 7 points, I'm booking that. So 7 at 54. 7 at 54. What? Jesus. Oh my God. 61. There we go. Because, yeah. Because look. So you're stopped out, right? Where are we? Move. Stopped out. Price comes back down. But as it comes back down, that's a move right there again. Okay, do you see it? Do you see it? That from there to there. That secondary move, okay? Right there, right there. What's going on there? High, low, right? So you've been stopped out of this. You got in, you got your profit, you're stopped out there. Okay? And then the move keeps selling down. So put your tool on it, okay? Get rid of the old tool first, okay? Keep the main one of the bigger move on there. That's the red one currently. And then put the new tool on there, the measurement tool. Because look, it just gave you another setup. It gave you a textbook fucking entry. Textbook. Oh, look at the EMA. Oh, look. Oh, there's this support ribbon. Didn't penetrate it that deep, but it came close, okay? But the EMA is just under the 25% retracement. 2 boner candles in a row. So that should have got your attention. You know, it's like, well, okay. You know what I mean? So yeah, get in at the 165, man. You're long at 165. Signals given. And your TP1 gets hit straight away. Boom, 50 gets hit. You know, beautiful. Another scalp. What's that? Another 5? Yeah, another 7 points. Perfect. And then as soon as you capture that, your stops are at break even. Boom, you're out. You're out. Oh! But look! Told you to get back in. The trade is valid, so it didn't make a substantial lower low, right? And the boner candle. Okay, like it should be getting your attention. Like, oh, okay, something's happening here. Comes back down, does a fake out. Doesn't even penetrate that low. But here, look. 1, 2 candles closing above the EMA as it's coming up to close above the 25% retracement. So that is, you see the 25% retracement there? There. Okay, open that up a bit. 25% retracement is right there. Okay, right there. So that's your entry. That's your entry order. This is this is price telling you to go long. It's closing above the EMA. Okay, EMA is below it. Came down, did a little fake out, but I mean, as soon as you start seeing that again, boner candle, it's like price is telling you, I'm going up here. You know, get in. Get the fuck in. Because look, what happens? 50 gets smoked. That's a good range now. Okay, not another 7 points. 75 gets smoked. 100 gets smoked. You would have captured all of that. Look at the 100. Oh. Ooh. See? When I say fucking front run it? Yeah, front run it, not front run it. When I tell you front run, do it. Because look, it didn't fucking tag the 100%, but it came fucking close. So yeah, I mean, this is tricky. Because when it's like the second candle, all wiki and shit, you don't know what to do. It's like, oh, dude, you gotta have some you need some gumpture to hold on to the trade, right? When it's getting close to your TP. But on the other hand, you don't want to give back a lot of profit. So fucking, that's tricky, you know? So it's hit the fucking eject button, man. Sometimes take your money and run, man. Take your money and run, you know? Because that candle there is like, it's an uncertain candle, you know? Wiki on both sides, you know? It's just, it doesn't know what's going to happen. Yeah, so it's front run your exits, people. You know, but look at that. So I'm just counting the meat, okay? So how many points? From the 25 to the 75. 78. 10, 12 points. 12 points. Nice. Okay, adding that to the total. 12. Oh, God. All right. And then, you seeing this? Like, if you had a runner in, would you have been stopped out? Yes, you would have been stopped out because stops to break even. It came down to the 75 and then just fucking shot up. Oh, my God. But see? Goes back to the New York close. From before, when I told you when this breaks down at the start of the video, I did say something like that, right? I think I did. It went down, and then it wants to go back up to the New York close. So I just, I pay attention to the New York close. And those levels are marked. So, but geez, yeah, I wouldn't have been in this trade. You wouldn't have been in it. But, wow. See, the bigger move is happening. Look at it, that's a 75%. Okay. So if you zoom out, then you can see the extent of the retracement from there, right? Wow. So this is like a bigger, massive, so we've been catching the little retracements inside this bigger retracement that's going on. That's cool. I like that. I like that. I don't know, it's like riding a wave within a wave inside an avalanche or something, Yeah, because these are just waves, man, But that was his target. And then what happens? Look. Get rid of that. Okay, I'm going to take... So basically, it did a full retracement. Hit the 100%. So, I mean, imagine if you went in there and you caught that entire move. Totally possible, because the signal was given way down there. The signal was given, okay? We went over it, so yeah. Boom. Power of having a runner. Yeah, okay. Another one. Oh, Jesus, man. Look at that. I mean, see, you can just look at it and see that, yeah, that was a winner. Okay, you can just, for me, it's like once I see it, I just can't unsee the trade. I just can't unsee it. I can see it, and I can't unsee it. It's like, yes, that's happening. High probability that the 50 is going to get hit. You know what I mean? Very high probability for these retracements. Look, it's just because this is when people get chopped the fuck up, right? You get chopped up and shit like this. I want to be the guy doing the fucking chopping. Right? That's who you want to be. You don't want to be the guy getting chopped. Be the chopper. You follow this model. Look, can you see it? Look. EMA, price is closing above the EMA and the 25% retracement right there. Boom. Straight to the 50, straight to the 75. Tags 100. You would have been out because you would have front ran. Because you front ran it. Ran it front. Front ran. Huh? What? Ooh. So, yeah. Model within a model within a model. It's a retracement. I'm putting together a manual, basically. Because people are saying they need to know more about the indicators and know more about how to set it up. So a text document, putting that together, and then maybe the videos make more sense. I don't know. For me, it's crystal clear, but maybe not for everybody about where the actual signals are given. I don't know. I think it's pretty clear. It's a retracement model, scalping. Okay, people. Till the next one, I'm Augie, Switchback Trading. Like and subscribe if you liked it. Okay, bye.